Ay, niob man nung. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! And for today's video, we're going to make a...
Apa.
Apa. An apa di ay yung grammar. Ay, tahop. Yeah, that's the term.
Tahop kay bagong ano.
Bagong ani. Ay, giling. Sorry for the term, guys. Diba ito may taga-bukid?
Kamantiya na to. Anang kuan.
Need to pili the pasi.
Mga pasi-pasi. Kada pa ning mga pasi. Like this, oh. Nakita ba?
Yeah.
Naman na siya pasi.
Guys, in making an apa, much better that you will use like
The red rice.
a red, not so red, but C4 red ang tawag nila.
C4.
C4 red. It's because lami siya kaunon, guys, than the white one. Yay!
Pinapatubo. Nilagyan ng yeast.
Few moments later.
Sharan! Guys, we need to use this one for us to put the oil in the pan so that we can scatter it everywhere. Yeah, just like that. We need to put also just a... You need to watch this one. We need to put it like this one. Oh my god, it is... Oh my god, it's very hot. The knife is already done, so I'm gonna... Put na this one there. And we need to cover it so that
Wait for how many minutes? How many minutes?
just a minute or two.
Okay, leave for a
We need
minute
to
or
flip
two.
it up.
Few moments later.
Or tataw na.
Pwede na.
Or what the hell ang dry.
Sure.
Sorry guys, we're not expert. You need to cover it back. It's cooked. Yeah, look at our finished product. We have more.
What's up? What's up?
Hi guys! We're still cooking as of the moment. So hot in here. So, as you can see, we have finished products already. And it's very good to eat with a coffee or a Coke.
You know na?
This ad is brought to you by Davis Sun and Rain. Sponsored by Davis Sun and Rain.
Ito na yan.
Guys, we have here like a huge squash. As you can see, like it's half na. It's because we've already cooked the other half earlier, and it's very good to eat. My God! And now we're gonna here na, guys. It's
Gahit na gito day. Ano?
excuse to our haggard faces. It's because ganina na bitaw may guluto, guys, and it's very hot here.
Yummy.
Savage love. siya kaunon if bugnaw na like tomorrow.
Yeah, partner
Paired
with
with black coffee. Yeah. Much better siya nga kanang bugnaw na kay ma-taste na nimo, ma-feel
Yeah.
na nimo iyang taste. Ma-feel ang taste.
Sana all.
Iparesa yung relasyon ba? Nga wala lang may mo cold na. Oh, wala lang may once mo cold na.
Pero kani siya guys, baliktad. Lami ni siya if ma-cold na. Like kung hot, hindi mo siya ganing. Loading ka ate girl.
Makakabuhi. Makakabuhi.
Hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. Bye guys, magkuha sa pag-alugbati for
Yeah. Oh my God! Hi guys! Very high in energy.
Manong pag-alugbati, I also have a kangkong and
Talbos
also
ng kamote.
Guy sa kamote. And I'm gonna partner these three with squash. Let's go.
Cooking show.
This is a cooking show. Cooking show.
Di, cooking show.
Cooking show!
No, you have a black coffee?
No, that's not a black coffee. It's Coke.
Coca-Cola body.
Coca-Cola na ano?
Coca-Cola
Coca-Cola na
body.
1.5. Not afraid.
This is not a paid vlog. Advertisement.
Yeah, we're just making fun. It's for fun.
We're just, what do we call this?
Tell me something, girl.
Oh my God, look at me. Pasayang sa super niya. It's just ilong.
Pilit ko. Hi! Hi guys!
Kaano sa ta para ma-achieve na to ang Coca-Cola body.
Guys, bahalag wala mo relationship as of the moment as long as nagkaon mo and you're healthy.
Importante buhay.
Yeah, importante bro. You're good. You will be fine. You will be good for the rest of your life. Elsa?
Elsa! Hi, Mom Don. Mom Danica. Mom Danica.
We're a very fan of yours.
Yeah. For the longest?
Prolonger.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Enough. Enough.
You know
Enough
what, guys,
for
sometimes in
him.
your life, you would say that you're good and you're too good enough
But
for
you're
that
not
person.
enough for
But
someone.
that person will always tell you and will always let you feel that you're not good enough yet.
Enough. Enough.
Diba? It's just so sad. That you're good.
Enough! Enough na,
But why for them, you're not good enough. You did all your best.
Maybe he's not the one for you.
Yeah.
So
Because
you better-
whatever you do,
Fine.
if you
Someone.
find the right one, you will
Someone
always be enough.
that will
for that
love you
person.
at your worst.
I need somebody who can love me at my worst.
I need somebody who can answer my mood.
That's not good. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever. But baby, that's something I can't do.
Guys, isa kita na nag-ipon, ha?
I could say that I'll be all you need.
Epekto sa banana cue.
our special guest for
Yeah.
today, our